guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to use a tape measure. So right here I have a tape measure. It's 8 meters and 26 feet long. So the first step is to own a measuring tape, and that's just basically having one of these here. The next step is this little metal part here. You can grab that and pull it out. And as you can see, there's a bunch of measurements on the thing right here. What you do with those measurements is you put up whatever you want to measure next to it. And as you can see, this pen is around 5.5 inches, or it's also around 14 centimeters. Another tip you can do is this black thing here. You can press it down and it holds the tape in place, so you can just do offhand work. As soon as you unclick it, it does that. Well, that'll be the end of the tutorial on how to use a measuring tape. If you like the video, like it. If you want to see more of this content, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.